What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to fix iPhone disabled and flashing error or any software issues on iPhone. First we press the volume up, down and power button simultaneously, and we continue pressing the power button until we see the recovery mode, and then we will see it on the 3U tools. As you see, it's the iPhone is XS and we have the 18.7.3 firmware, and if you do not have it, will automatically download it. And then we click on the flash, and we will wait until the flashing process is finished. So I have speed up the video because it's a long process. We have to wait up to 15 minutes to finish the process of the flashing the iOS. Now the flashing process is completed, and we will click on OK. We will not disconnect the iPhone to our PC. We will not disconnect, and when we detect the phone, we will click on activate, and as you see now the iPhone is activated. So we will just set up the phone manually. Just we tap on set up the process. As you see, the phone is now restored. And thanks for watching. If you have any question, write it in the comment section.